Hi students, in this video I am going to explain properties of matter, different types of properties, physical quantities and international system of units. As we know that every matter has some different physical and chemical properties. So there are two different types of properties. First one is called physical properties and the second one is called chemical properties. What do you mean by physical properties? The properties of a substance that can be observed and measured without changing the composition of the substance are called physical properties. It means the properties of the substance that can be observed and measured without any changes in the chemical composition of the substance are called physical properties. For example, color, odor means smell, density, melting points, boiling points, entropy and enthalpy. So these are all the some of the examples for physical properties of matter. So what do you mean by entropy? The entropy means disorderness or a randomness of a system. If there is no proper order in the system, then it is said to be entropy. And enthalpy means the heat content of a reaction is called enthalpy. Next, coming to chemical properties. The properties of a substance that can be observed and measured only on allowing the substance to undergo the chemical properties. If we measure the chemical properties only by observing and measuring the substance, then it is said to be chemical properties. For example, acidity. Acidity means number of H plus ions present in the solution. Basicity, number of OH minus ions present in the solution. And combustibility, it means how much amount of energy is required to heat the compound or a substance. Next, physical quantities. The quantities which do not involve in any chemical reactions and expressed only in terms of numerals with suitable units are called physical quantities. For example, length, mass, time, volume, temperature, etc. These are all not involved in any type of chemical reactions, but these can be expressed only in terms of numerals with suitable units. Next, international system of units. So, international system of units was established by the 11th General Conference on Weights and Measurements. This system of measurements is one of the most common system which is employed throughout the world. The SI units are 7 basic physical quantities. So these are the some of the physical quantities which are used throughout the worldwide. For example, length. So length, the SI unit of length is meter, always expressed symbolically as small m. Next, mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is symbolically represented as kg. Next, time. SI unit is second, symbolically represented as S. Temperature. SI unit is Kelvin, symbolically represented as K. Electric current. SI unit is ampere, symbol is A. Next, intensity. SI unit of this intensity is candela. The symbol of this intensity is CD. Next, amount of substance. It is the SI unit is mole and symbolically represented as mole. Next, coming to the prefixes used in SI units. For example, if the multiple is 10 to the power of minus 15, the prefix is femto and the symbol is F. If it is 10 to the power of minus 12, the prefix is pico, symbolically represented as P. If it is 10 to the power of minus 9, it is nano, that is the prefix is nano and symbolically represented as N. If it is 10 to the power of minus 6, the prefix is micro, symbolically represented as mu. If it is 10 to the power of minus 3, the prefix is milli, symbolically represented as small m. If it is 10 power minus 2, the prefix is centi, symbolically represented as c. If it is 10 power minus 1, prefix is deci, symbol is d. If it is 10 power 0, deca, symbol is da. If it is 10 power plus 2, hecto, symbol is h. If it is 10 power plus 3, prefix is kilo, symbol is k. If it is 10 power plus 6, the prefix is mega, symbol is capital M. If it is 10 power plus 9, it is giga, the symbol is G. If it is 10 power plus 12, the prefix is tera, symbol is T. If it is 10 power 15, the prefix is peta and the symbol is P. Thank you students. In the next video, we are going to discuss SI units of some physical derivatives and measurements in chemistry, etc. Thank you.